show you 4 combos that can be used as across the floor exercises. Now, if you don't have classes right now, or if you don't have the time, or you just want to learn something new, then this is the right video for you. So let's get started. Okay, so these exercises are made to be done in a small space. So if you're in your house, if you're in your room, this will be perfect for you. Now, if you think the extensions are very extended, you can modify it. You cannot do as low as high or just straight. You can just bend it. That might work too. Okay, so let's start with the first one. We are going to start with the right in the back. We can use our arms either here or here. I use them here for better balance. So I'm going to grab a man with my right, go up and step right here, and left and step to the right and step to the left and step. Once I'm here, I'm gonna cross my right to the front, bring it in a passe. You can either have a releve or not. So you do 1 and 2, extend it again, and bring a fouette. Perfect? Let's do it again a little bit faster. So we have 5, 6, 7, 8, right and left, and 1 and up, 1 and cross here. Combination, we are going to do this. We're going to start with my right behind my left. I'm going to open in second. And 1, 2, cross, 4, 5, 6, right here. And I'm going to cross it, 7, 8. My right is behind my left. I'm going step 3 down, step 3 down. From here, my right is behind. Gonna bring it in and turn and finish. Let's do it a little bit faster. So we have and 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, turn 7, 8, and 1 and 2, 3 and 4 and 5 up, 6, 7, 8. We are going to do, we start here on second with on plie. I'm going to cross, straight, cross, down view. This one is going to bounce to the back, or right is going to bounce to the back, and up. It's right here on behind your left. You're going to come out with a pas de bourrée. Pas de bourrée. My left is facing the other side. Right side, step, and a little leap. Let's do it faster. And 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. For our next one, we can use either right, we can do 2 to the right, 2 to the left. We are going to do plie, pas de bourrée. We're going to do back, side, front. Plie, back, side, front. My left is in the front. I'm going to go releve with prep for pirouette with my passe and turn. Once, sorry, it's hard with socks and this floor. From here, I'm gonna open this again. 1, back, side, front, plie, and turn to the front. Okay? Let's do it a little bit faster. And 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I hope you like this video. I hope you learned all these 4 combinations and you can use them as much as you want. You can use it in your studio, you can use it in your school, with your friends, or just for yourself. So don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and I hope you have a great rest of your day. See you in the next video.